Greetings from great used auto sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2020 Chevrolet Traverse all-wheel drive LT package. Go ahead and give it a quick walk around, then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Really nice shape. Beautiful condition. All right, let's go ahead and take a closer look here. Start with the front fender. Fender's in beautiful condition, super clean throughout, very nice shape. Front bumper's in beautiful condition, look at that. Very nice. Take a close look here at the headlamps, beautiful condition. Fog lights on the bottom, also in beautiful shape. Looks super clean, really nice. Take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful condition. Really outstanding shape, look at that. Beautiful. All right, let's take a close look here at the fender. Passenger side, beautiful condition. Clean throughout, very nice shape. Passenger door, also in beautiful condition. Really great shape, look at that, very nice. Take a look at the rear door on the driver's side, also in beautiful condition. Clean throughout, very nice. Quarter panel on the passenger side, also in beautiful condition, very nice shape. Walk around the back here. The hatch in the back looks beautiful, super clean. Let's take a close look at those lamps. Beautiful condition. Really nice. Super clean. Really outstanding condition. It's an LT model. It's got backup sensors on this one. Backup camera. Beautiful looking SUV. All right, now we're taking a look at the quarter panel on the driver's side. Outstanding shape, looks good. Take a look at the rear door on the driver's side, also in beautiful condition. Taking a look here at the driver door panel, looks good. Driver door looks good, very nice condition. Got a little touch up right there. Besides that, looks good. Front fender, we just looked at it. Let's take a look at the windshield. Windshield's in beautiful shape. No cracks, no damage on it, no chips, looks good. Really a nice shape. Does have a little mark right here on the windshield. Besides that, really nice condition. Take a look at the roof. Roof's in nice shape. Super clean throughout, very nice. Let's give it a quick walk around here. Really great condition, look at that. Let's take a look at the windshield on this side. Looks good. Beautiful condition. Really outstanding shape. Okay, well that's going to conclude our walk around. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior. Then we'll take it for a little test drive. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Really nice shape. Look at the armrest there. Beautiful condition. This is a control for the rear hatch. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Very nice. Driver's seats in beautiful condition. Really outstanding shape. Look at that. Full set of floor mats. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Look at that. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Take a look at the controls for the power locks and window. Looks amazing. It's got some storage there. Very nice. Take a look at the passenger seat in the front. Amazing condition. Looks brand new. Really nice. Full set of floor mats. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Very nice shape. Really nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear driver door panel. Beautiful condition. Driver side door panel, look at that. In the rear, beautiful condition throughout, very nice. Taking a look at the second row seating. Beautiful condition. Really nice, full set of floor mats. It's got controls here for the radio, look at that. Amazing. Really nice shape. Take a look at the liner. Beautiful condition. Let's take a look at the third row. Really nice. Outstanding shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear. Passenger side door panel. Amazing condition. Looks clean throughout. Very nice. Really great condition. Beautiful shape throughout. Okay, taking a look at the rear seat. Second row on the passenger side. Very nice condition. Really nice shape. Let's take a look at the rear seat here. Third row. Also in beautiful condition. Very nice. Great shape. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2020 Traverse. We're going to go ahead and start this up. This is a LT package, all-wheel drive. Very nice. Let's go ahead and start it up. There's a key fob for it. So we're just going to place the key fob down here. As long as it's in the car, you're good to go. It's got a button right here. You press the brake. Starts up perfect. Look at that. You can see there all the GMs, they check the gauges. They go all the way up and back down again, which is perfect. All right, so they're all functioning fine. Let's take a look here. This one has 29,254 miles. Really nice. Let's take a look at some of the features on this one. So you have power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power rear hatch, automatic lights, cruise control on the steering wheel, information center on the steering wheel, Bluetooth controls here on the steering wheel, front and rear wipers, highlights, turning signals. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Look at this. Very nice. Looks amazing. It's brand new. Very nice shape. Look at that. Take a look at the radio. It's got a really nice display. It's touchscreen. Let's go to home. Amazing. So you have audio. You click that's audio, the auto page. Phone if you want to set up your Bluetooth. Hotspot. Really nice. Users, you can set up your users on there. Settings. That'll take you through all the language. All the settings. Look at that. Amazing. For the system, for the apps, which has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It's got a lot of features. And then the vehicle, you also have the settings for the vehicle, the climate control, the comfort, valet mode, all that good stuff. Really nice. Then you can add more apps to it. Look at that. Amazing. Okay, so that's really nice. Looks beautiful. The display's amazing. So you can also use the touchscreen or you can use these buttons here, which is fine. Also has backup camera, so you put in reverse. This shows you the backup camera, shows you which way you're going to go. And this one has rear parking sensors, so it gives you a little beep when you're going to hit something. Down below here you have your heated seats, which is nice. Climate control, you can put one temperature on one side, one on the other. That's amazing. You have your defrost, you have your fan speed. Look at that. Down below here you have your power plug, USB's auxiliary, your automatic transmission. You have manual shift modes if you want to drive it manually. This is for the four-wheel drive. You can set that. For the traction control, the lane assist, we'll turn that on. Look at that. Parking brake. Let's take a look inside here. Really nice storage space in here. Amazing. Then you have your books inside there, which is nice to have. Up above here, we're looking at these are the garage door openers. You can program the information about the passenger airbag in the front, if it's on or off. You have your OnStar, your SOS. You have your illuminated vanity mirrors for driver and passenger. Nice feature. Really in nice condition. Let's take a closer look at the dash again. Then we'll take it for a little test drive. Steering wheel's in beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice. So leather wrapped steering wheel. Looks amazing. And it has this really nice stitching here. It matches the panels. Looks amazing. Okay, let's take a look at the rear AC vents on the roof. Really nice. Beautiful condition. All right, guys, stay tuned. We'll take it for a little test drive in a moment. Be right back. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a little test drive here. Here we go. I'm gonna put it in gear. It's in drive. Here we go. Feel good power. It has a 6-cylinder. Really nice. Feels super smooth. Drives really nice. Brakes feel good, stops nice. Really amazing. Really feels super smooth. Super nice drive. Well, that's pretty much going to conclude our test drive. I'm going to show you here how the backup camera works. So when you put in reverse, it shows up right there. And then we're going to just test out the sensors. So when you back up here, there's a trash can right there. So it should give us a beep. Let us know we're getting too close. So as it does that, you can see here on the little screen on the cluster, it shows you when you're getting too close. Very nice. That's pretty much it. That's our test drive. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the tires and take a look at the engine. Okay, we're going to go ahead and test out the rear hatch. Take a look at the cargo area in the back. Here's the remote. Let's open it up with the remote right now. I'm going to press it twice. Opens right up. Perfect. Let's take a closer look here. Really nice. Look at that. It's got a cargo mat here for the back. Great shape. It's got a power plug right here. Amazing. You open this up here on the bottom. Got a lot of storage down there. Look at that. Amazing. Now this third row folds down to give you more storage. So we're going to go ahead and do that for you. There you go. That's one. And that's two. Folds down perfect. Look at that. Amazing. All right. Let's go ahead and close the door. Really nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful shape. Take a close look here. Very nice. Really nice condition. Beautiful shape throughout. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. On the driver's side, tire looks good. Good amount of tread on there. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. All right, we're taking a look at the rear tire. On the driver's side, tire's in good condition. Look at that tread on there. It looks nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Very nice. Taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Very nice condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Amazing. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire's in good condition. Really nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Take a look at that. Very nice condition. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2020 Chevrolet Traverse LT package all-wheel drive. Vehicle's in beautiful condition. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website, greatusedautosales.com. Thanks for watching.